All right, guys, this trade's going all the way. I don't know if you were on the stream before, man. I'm in the middle of a stream, and all of a sudden that's why I'm doing this stream at 2 o'clock. I'm trying to figure out this computer. I'm on the stream, and the thing starts updating while I'm in the middle of the stream. And I'm up almost 80 pips on this trade. So I guess I'll close it soon. Crazy, man. But anyway, I was in the middle of talking, and the damn thing updated. Pissed me off to no end, man. So frustrating. Sucks when you don't know what you're doing with these computers. You know, I'm like a caveman. I mean, I'll be the first to admit it. But all right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna find another trade. I'm gonna find my battery now. One sec, guys. Okay. I'm up 80 pips. 81, 85 pips. We're going to hit profit. I'm going to close. I already took profit here. I moved my stop loss here. So I'm going to close, guys. Almost 90 pips now. I'm still in it. Let me hold for a minute. Let's see if it goes all the way. I just got freaking frustrated, you know? Man, that pissed me off. Anyway, guys, we do this every day, man. I usually trade 9 o'clock. I'm on a new laptop here. My other laptop crapped out. I got one of those Asus Republic of Gamer laptops. It's an expensive laptop, man. But I had nothing but trouble with that thing, man. I just got a new charger, and I think the battery conked out. I ordered a new charger and a new battery. I should have it by Friday. So I have to fix that and be back on Friday. Anyway, that's the deal, guys. You know, I was talking about I want to make a website for a 5-year plan. Okay, guys, I'm not selling a course here or anything. I trade every day live. And if you go look at my video, 96% win rate, I go through my back office and show you everything for the year. My results for the year were 96%. And I traded like that for over a year before I came on, you know, before I started making these videos. You know, I wanted to make sure I was winning. And that's what I did. I traded for a whole year, man, and perfected this, guys. I don't use a stop loss. We use a small lot size. Okay, I recommend about 0.01 for every $1,500 in your account. Now, you can start with $100 and do 0.01. But just keep in mind that we're trading NAS, US30, and gold mostly. Okay, I do trade other pairs, you know, but mostly we're trading them. So, you know, right now I've grown the account from $800. Now it's coming up on $16,000. And I'm going to be doing a withdrawal. I want to talk about that too. What I'm doing now, I found this real estate group, guys. It's totally awesome. If you want to check it out, find the link below this video or on my channel. And I'll tell you about it. I did one deal with them so far. I'm getting ready to do another one. When I make a withdrawal, I'm going to buy another house. My goal is to do 3 a year for 5 years. Okay, let's give all the 5-year plan. So we're going to use trading and real estate to become free in 5 years. I'm not talking about Lamborghinis and none of that baloney, man. These guys with Lamborghinis, they won't even come on here and trade on YouTube, most of them. You know, they're just selling you courses. I don't have nothing for sale. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All right, I bought that first house already. I paid $28,000. What closing cost was $28,600. All right, I sold it for $69,000 with $2,500 down, $800 a month for 30 years. All right, I'm looking for a cash flow, guys. I'm not looking to flip or anything like that. I'm not looking to plunge toilets to be a landlord. All right, I want to be the bank. I want to be Mr. Burns sitting up there waiting for the check. And that's what I'm going to do. And my goal is 3 a year for 5 years. And then I'm probably going to move to Southeast Asia. I'll probably be there before that. I don't need any. I could leave right now, to tell you the truth, but I got kids here and stuff. And you know, my wife is from Philippines, so I've been there a few times, man. I love it over there. And we want to go there and I'll get a nice place by the beach, and that's it, man. I could trade from there. Trading over there is a dream, man. London session's like 3 in the afternoon over there, and New York session is 9:30 at night over there. So you could go to the beach all day, go do your shopping, come home, trade London, have some dinner, trade New York, and go to bed. It's beautiful over there too. I like it. I know. I guess some people, it's not for everybody. Nothing's for everybody, right? But I like it. But anyway, that's the deal, guys. You know, click that link if you want to find out about the real estate thing. It's not my group. I'm just sharing it. I think it's the best thing I ever seen. It's the best group I ever been a part of. There's a lot of people in there, and they're all active. There's a meeting every week where the owner of the group comes on, and everybody, you know, you can ask him whatever you want. The guy has like 250 houses that he bought and sold and holds a mortgage on. And yeah, they got people on the group. The house I bought is in another state. It's in Illinois. Okay, I've never seen the house. I've never been to Illinois. They got people over there, boots on the ground, people that are a member of our group. You can give a few dollars. They'll go put a lockbox on. We got other people called fillers that'll show the place and sell it for you and get somebody in there. So they'll sell it for you. You tell them what you want. And, you know, you give them half the down payment. Down payments are low because they're low-end houses. Down payments are like $2,500, $2,000, $3,000. They get half the down payment. Well worth it, man. Find you a nice buyer. Anyway, guys, you got to find out from the group. Give me a like on this video, guys. The only reason I'm streaming, I'm going to close this video. I'm going to close this trade, guys. All right, I'm out of this trade, guys. I got out with about 80 pips. So I want to pay attention. The only reason I came on now is because I'm on this new laptop, and I just wanted to maybe I'll start streaming in the afternoon if I get any interest. You know, when I came on before, I entered the trade here, and then the laptop started updating while I was talking and knocked me off the stream. So that's the deal, guys. Hey, Tal. What's up, buddy? Yeah, Tal, you sent me yeah, I just came on. I'm trying to get used to this laptop, Tal, man. It's driving me crazy, man. I can't wait to get my laptop back. I was on here before and it kicked me off the stream. I'm trying to get used to it. This morning I didn't feel good, and now I'm just trying to get used to this computer, man. I want to make sure I can do this in the morning. So I jumped on a stream, and as soon as I jumped on, like, this trade was just like right there. I was like, damn, let me take this buy, you know? And then I got knocked off, and now I'm back on. But anyway, Todd, if you want the information on that group, man, let me send you, hold on a sec. I don't know, you filled out the information? I didn't get any information. I didn't get a thing from you, man. Right, guys, I'm out of this trade. Yeah, I never got it, Tom. I'm sorry about that, man. I don't know why I didn't get it. Maybe do it again. Let me see. Forex. Uh-oh. There we go again. Trouble. Send me a message there, Tom, if you're still interested. I'll get you the information. You know. Sorry about that. I gotta see if I gotta figure out why I didn't get the email from you. I must have set something up wrong. I'm not surprised, man. I'm like a caveman. I think I said that 100 times. I'm like a caveman, bro. Just ask my wife; she'll tell you. I'm rough on computers. I don't know how to. I got no finesse with these electronics, man. I would just as soon smash this thing to a million pieces, man, when it gets me frustrated, you know? Anyway, it is what it is, man. Thanks, Tal. All right, I think I got this set up for tomorrow. I hope so. Let's see what's going on around the globe, around the horn here. Maybe we'll get another trade here. What's gold doing? Gold is up, though, right? It's all the way up. Look at that wick. Wow. Great. Let's see if gold will break out. Maybe it'll go do a wick fill. But if it'll break out, I'll take it for a ride. I want to see it break out and retest this area here. I closed already, but we're up there near the TP. If you guys are still in, it's probably going to hit. I kind of rushed this. Man, this computer is weird, man. I don't know how to use this thing. It's like flying all over the place. I want to see where I am here. Yeah, you see, I'm a little high. Normally, I would have brought the box right to here, right between those tops of those candles. That's how I usually do it. This way, it definitely hits. You know, I don't want it coming all the way up here and then, missing the take profit by 5 pips and dropping down 50 pips again. You know. But anyway, guys, I would have been out of this trade now. I am out of it. I got out of it with 80 something pips, but it might keep going up. But yeah, guys, I believe you can enter a trade pretty much anywhere on the chart. Basically, you could just look at the chart, open it, and say, wow, it's come down a lot. I'm going to take a buy. Or it's going up a lot. I'm going to take a sell. I really believe that, man. You know? It's pretty much... and then you just manage the trade. You know, it's always going to reverse. I mean, I just don't. You just don't know exactly where sometimes, but you can have a clue. You know, you have clues. You have areas where you know it could reverse. You know. Okay, I got these lines here. This is probably a daily low. I forget now. I put it there this morning. You know, if this went against us, if this trade would have came down instead of going up, I probably would have took another entry right around here. You know. Yeah, so I don't use any stop loss, guys. I just trade. I just go with the flow. I'm not afraid of drawdown because I use small lot size. That's the key, guys. I use a small lot size, and you know, we just take more wins. We're just constantly win with a small lot size, and before you know it, you'll be having those $1,000 days. You know, when your account is big enough that you can do it with a small lot size.
A quick live, just in the loop of what's going on, and
someone just sent me a video. Hold on a second.
With you guys, so where we're at right now. So it's been about 2 long, painful years since we first started encountering broker issues, and that's been very difficult for a lot of people to navigate through. I have tried my very best to support and continue to provide services and have a team on hand, and obviously with no income coming in, it's been very difficult to continue doing that, and it's come at quite a heavy cost to the point where almost I felt like numerous times just throwing in the towel completely. But I've kept on. I've carried on despite the conspiracy theorists and what they've said, despite the haters, backbiters, the people who have made all sorts of stories, etc. And we are currently at a place where we're awaiting news, and I kind of feel I felt for like the last, I'd say 18 months, I felt extremely helpless, and obviously lots of people come to me with their stories and things have happened as a result of this situation, and it completely breaks my heart. My own parents have money stuck in Sapphire, and it was a very lonely Christmas as a result. But I know that everybody has the pressures and pains, and I do get a lot of, I'd say, serious messages and stuff, and I'm not going to go into detail or anything, but yeah, it's been painful for a lot of us, and I get it from all angles. I get it from there's a lot of people who I encourage people to invest in this. Obviously, if I could go back to 2 years ago, I think after the LCM situation, I didn't think there was even a chance that something would happen. Things can go the way that they have. And just to make clear, Sapphire did work for an incredible, great period of time where people had a lot of liquidity. Everything that they have personally invested in. That is my plan. To do that, what I need people to do is to, one, you don't even have to trust me. It's not going to cost you anything to do it. What you have to do is you need to go into your bank statement and you need to find, and I'm telling you in advance so you have time to be able to do this, because the form's in the process of being created. You're going to be sent a link. This link will allow you to upload your documents, and your documents will be some very basic KYC to make sure you are the person, passport, driver's license. It will be a copy of, you can redact everything else out of the statement. Just need to see the amounts and
we'll see what it does here, guys. I'd be interested in maybe taking another buy right here if it comes down, if it pulls back that far.
to ask you to there'll be steps along the way, and we'll make it as simple as possible. There'll be steps to doing it, and we are going to give you the instructions to open a broker account. We, with broker, have already agreed that we are going to send bulk. The way to get everyone paid in the first place, very easy, is to bulk send crypto to broker who can then fund accounts. So it's a big Excel mothership document has been created, and your deposit amount can go into that sensitive paper, and they are going to fund your account. You will get free access for 3 months to manifest completely free access, and for those 3 months, you will see you'll be able to access the hub. You'll be able to see results, the rest of it. Guys, these people are all audited every quarter, every 3 months. They are completely mind-blown. You get to see one on the software, which, by the way, is not brand new.
Oh, I want to do this. All right, so anyway, guys, that's the deal. I don't know why he sent me that. Let's see what it does here, guys. Let me see US30. US30, pretty much the same. Man, this computer's crazy, bro. I don't like it, man. Let's see, where are we? Right about there, where it should be. Oh, it's gone. Ay, ay, ay. There it is. All right. Check gold. Oh, gold's going to break out. 3 o'clock. Almost 3. Everyone missed that trade. Sorry about that, man. All of a sudden, I was live, then I wasn't live. I don't know what was going on there, man. It really messed me up. It's been how long, man? I don't know, over a year. About a year, a little more than a year. More than a year. It's been like 14, 16 months, something like that. I don't know. I have to check when I made my first deposit. But when I made the first deposit, I got to check. I don't want to say nothing that's not true. I got to check. what happened was I was losing. I had blown the account, you know. And I was like, damn, man, I blew this account. You know, I was mad, bro. And I made a deposit, and I just said, you know what? I'm not trading like that no more, man. And I just stopped trading with the stop loss and all that, and all these stupid things, all these stupid rules, all this fib and all that baloney. It's all baloney, man. Look at all this stuff over. I laugh sometimes because I think I made a video about it. The fib circle, you know. These guys will give you everything you need to lose money, man. You know, these brokers, everything you need to lose money, every tool you need to lose money. I don't believe in any of that stuff anymore, man. You know, I don't want to do prop firms, Ty, because I got too many rules, and I never tried them, and I just don't trust them. I'd rather just do my own thing, man. You know, they got too many excuses not to pay you, and it probably won't work for me the way I trade because I'm in drawdown sometimes. You know, I don't know. Sometimes I'm in a lot of. I was in a lot of drawdown when he first announced those tariffs, man. I worked my way out of it now, but I mean, I was down 60% drawdown, something like that, you know. But I wasn't worried. I didn't panic. I just traded myself right back out of it. You know, the market bounced back a little bit, and the whole time while I was in drawdown, I just kept taking wins. You know, just winning other trades. You know, I just brought myself right back out of it. So that's the deal. As soon as I get to, I'm getting ready to take a withdrawal now to buy my second property. I got some money saved. I got money coming in every month from the other one. And yeah, man, that's the deal. You know, I want to do 3 houses this year. 3 houses a year for 5 years. That's my goal. You trade prop firms, Tom? Which one do you trade, man? If you do, I'll check for that email when I get off here. Oh, my neck hurts. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I tried to go on at 2. Let me hang out for a few minutes to see if gold breaks this high. Looks like it's gonna come back down. Yeah, man, that got me so annoyed, man. I didn't feel good this morning. This damn computer got me mad, bro. It's like, what the heck? You know, when you're used to something, I had for years I was using Apple, you know, but they're so expensive, man. They last a couple of years, and you got to get another one. So I bought that other one, that Republic of Gamers. It's a powerful laptop, man. But I mean, it's okay. I guess the battery just went bad. It happens, right? Let's see if I can fix it. What do we got here now? Guys, I'm going to take a little buy on gold. All right, I'm in a buy on gold. This computer's weird. I don't like it at all, man. I don't even know where I am now. All right, guys. I'm in that buy. I'll probably just go to break even quick because I'm just kind of messing around now. FTMO. Yeah, well, good luck. I don't know if I want to get involved in prop firms, man. I'll be honest, man. I got enough things pissing me off already without getting involved in prop firms. Now, if we come up above this fair value gap somewhere up here, I'm going to take a little profit, move stops to break even, and then I'm going to go about my business. Maybe go for a walk or something. I didn't feel good this morning. I felt like dizzy, man. I don't know what the heck's going on. So I want to go for a walk, get some fresh air, get some sun, and take it from there, you know. If it goes up, we'll see. If this goes down, I'll probably sign off. I'll probably take another buy right here. Just so you guys know what I'm planning. Go a little higher. That's the trade right there, guys. Once I take profit here, I'm not doing anything with this. So if this comes up here, I take profit. This gets deleted. Stop loss goes into profit here, and we just let it run or stop out or whatever. We're in, right around break even now. So. Okay, I like that rejection off that fair value gap. And tell me off your feet. Okay, went profit a little bit. You see what NAS is doing. Oh, that never came down. US30. Come on. Uh-oh. Froze up now. Can't win here, guys. Only 14 pips, but hey, 14 pips is 14 pips, my friend. All right, I'm looking to get out of this quick, guys, just because I want to go do other things. Well, let's get it secured first, if we can. Apex, huh? Looks like it wants to drop. Let's see what this is. All right, close that gap. Let's see if it goes up now. In the neighborhood. Something tells me I'm into something good. All right, we're back to break even. Close to it anyway. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome, brother. All right, guys, I got to go for a walk. We're at break even now. I almost want to just close this and go for a walk. Guys, give me a like, please, on the video. Subscribe, please, if you don't mind. If you want to keep in touch, comment, guys, if you want to keep in touch or interact. Appreciate it, guys. Helps me with the algorithm. Sending messages like crazy, man. Okay, break even. Why not, man? Froze up. There we go. Ah. Nine p.m. Wow. Where you at, Tom? 9 p.m. What the heck would that be? Let's go, gold. That's right, man. Let's go, gold. Oh, South Africa. All right, I got you. South Africa. It doesn't show signs of stopping. Ah, it's moving real slow, guys, huh? Come on now, gold. Let's go, baby. Yeah, it just died, man. I don't trade any other way, man. I just trade like this. Small, no stop loss, small lot size. That's it. All right, Tal. I'll see you later. I'll get back to you on that email when I get a chance. Thanks, Tal. See you later. See you tomorrow morning, my friend. Maybe I'll trade this time more often, man. Because I mean, I did get a nice win we did catch a nice trade on NAS, and we're about to win this gold trade. We went 90 pips on NAS, which ain't bad. We just got to get this trade to go up and get our stop loss in order. I'm back in profit. See you later, Ty. God bless, man. Be safe, my friend. Have a great night. I'll see you in the morning. All right, see if we can break this high here. There we go. We can push up here and close this gap. If we close this gap, I'm going to take some profit. And then I'm going to move my stop into break even. And I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to get off the stream and just let it run. But then we're risk free. We got some profit. Okay, I'm at, 5 pips now? I'm up 5-6 pips now. It's not much, but I mean, I just want to get moving because I wasn't planning on staying on this long. All right, guys, I'm up 11 pips. I'm just going to take a little profit here for the heck of it. That's 12. I'm going to put my stop loss right below this gap here. Right here. Okay, 3-4. Make it 3-4-1-5. All right. So we are risk free now. I still didn't take nothing. I'm up 16 pips. I didn't take nothing yet, guys. I want to see. I want to get a. If I take, let me see. Should I take half? I want to get at least 10 pips, you know, in the bank. Let's see if we can push up again without getting stopped out. I don't care if I get stopped out now. I already won that NAS trade. You know, if I get stopped out here, I'll be up. It'll be profit, like 2 pips or something, 3 pips. So let's see what happens. Back. I'm up 9 pips. Nothing to write home about, but not bad. That's 12 pips again. Let me get rid of this, guys. We never used it. I'm up 11 pips. Oh, I was. It's very slow now. 11 pips again. 13 pips. There we go. That's 16 pips. 17. Let's see if we can break that high. I might just close 20 pips. Let's see, I'm up 15 now. Come on, man. Ten pips, 11 pips. All right, let me just chill out. But it's either going to stop me out or it's going to give me 20 pips. One or the other. It's either going to stop me out at 2 pips or give me 20. Let's see what it does. Still in it. There you go. Flip that candle, baby. Let's go. It looks to me like it wants to go up, man. Those candles coming down are real short. Look at the ones going up. They're like longer. There's like more buying pressure, it looks like. Let's see if we can break out above that supply zone. That'd be sweet. I'm up 11 pips now. All right, might start me out here. Let's see. Still in it. I'm still in it. Oh, got me. All right, guys. I made 2 pips. I made 2 pips on that trade, man. Woohoo. Guys, thanks for stopping by, man. I usually don't trade at this time, but we had a nice hit on NAS right before that for like 90 pips. So I appreciate everybody who came to check us out. And come back tomorrow, 9 a.m., man. We'll be ready to rock and roll. Thank you, guys. Have a great day on purpose. Stay blessed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Cheers, guys.